Echis omanensis.
And then you and then one has another one later. Two.
Are there two of them?
And there's two of them.
Cool.
And the other and the hybrid was not done with I found it.
What's that?
Hybrid was not you hear this.
Hardwicks rat snake.
Hear this.
Oh, okay.
Hear this.
I think he's hiding his head. Is it?
What is a scientific name?
Platyceps ventromaculatus. Yes. Okay, I'll just leave it here, B. Okay, then the next one. Oh, maybe he's hiding the Arabian horned viper, was it? Ah, here! It is hiding in the sand. Yes. Right? The what? There. Here. They're here. Yeah, this is the Arabian Boaedon arabicus. Oh, where's Wadi Racer? Ah, there, at the very edge. I think it's hiding as well. Ayun, it's moving na a bit. Wadi Racer.
What's the scientific name?
Platyceps rhodorachis.
What is this?
Oh, cool.
What is this?
Look at the head.
What is that? What's this? What's this?
You tell me, what's this?
That's a
Read it.
Seafords.
Cliffords.
Seafords.
Clifford's Islands. Yeah. I took a video of it.
That's a scientific name.
Spalerosophosis diadema cliffordi.
And then we have
This one.
the poison horned viper.
The Persian horned viper. Ooh, it's here.
What is it? Ayan.
It's poisonous.
Yeah, it was in that but next time it was here.
Yes. Last time, where is it?
Last time it was in the top.
Okay.
And then what is this toy? And then what's the scientific name?
Pseudocerastes persicus.
And then we have the stout viper.
Saint saw-scaled viper.
And you this.
We have one. And we have here.
Two.
Actually, there are two of them. So 2, 3, yes.
The only one there was a scientific name.
Yes, you will need to name it all the scientific names.
What's the scientific name? What?
Echis carinatus sochoreki.
And then we have what is this?
Oh, look at the head of this one. It's moving.
This is a movie.
Yes. Looking for food.
We want one more. And he's this. What's the scientific name?
Samophis chokari. Chokari.
And this is his toy.
Yeah, this is picture.
And then we'll put it up with some Moira snake.
Wow, look at them. There are a lot. Moila snake.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5.
Yes.
There's a day 5.
They are 5.
And then there's a Moira snake.
Moila snake.
And there was a scientific name. What's the scientific name?
Malpolon moilensis.
It's a potato. And then what's this?
Oh, what's that? It's a moon.
Lizard.
Jayakar's lizard. It's a lizard na.
What is that?
It's not a snake. Ah, here. But I think he's sleeping over here. See that? You see that?
Yeah, but
You see his tail?
yeah.
Yeah, but it's sleeping, isn't it?
If I were to do something like this, and that's good. This.
Let me get my straw. Yes, more snakes. That's right. And where's the Arabian cat snake? Where is it? Where's the Arabian cat snake?
What is it?
See, let's find it. Arabian cat snake. I don't know. Maybe he's sleeping and hiding, right? There. It's a very big one. Oh, it's moving. Come on. Let's see this moving. Okay, sorry. Oh no, look at this. Yeah, Arabian cobra. Naja arabica, and it's poisonous, Lance. Yes. Over there. They're so dangerous. Look. Oh, the black desert cobra. Found it. But it's not moving. Yeah, I found it. We found it. Arabian egg eater. Oh, I saw it, but it's inside under the rocks. And it's not moving. Right?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, not here. Maybe he's hiding.
What's the scientific name?
Of what?
Of Piathatatas name.
Telescopus nicriceps.
Stone leaf nose nine.
Yeah, crown leaf nose snake.
What is that?
Here.
What is it? Ayan. What's the scientific name?
Lytorhynchus diadema.
Dati yung pinag-istorya.
Huh?
Dati yung pinag-istorya.
It's okay. The source is just there.
Ang ganda, away plants ang kuha. Ayan, may tay. May tay.
Right there.
I don't know. What's the scientific name?
Eryx jayakari.
I don't know. In the inside.
Lizards na tayo.
Inside.
That's nice.
And then found the million. Ayan.
Oh, veiled chameleon. Where is it?
Ayan.
Ayun. Nice. Veiled chameleon.
And then last week, it's like my eye.
Yes. Oh, it's moving. Oh.
Is that his? Like what's doing like this?
Yeah, this is the. How? How this?
Yeah, I'm doing like this. I'm saying this.
How does the snake do his tongue?
That's like my first eye. That is just a snake bite.
Yeah, when you. Oh, look! It's opening its mouth. You saw that?
See, Daddy,
Yeah.
you got this party.
Yeah, it's very big.
It's like-
Ayun, you know, look. He's looking for food. Or is it yawning or something?
Or maybe I think it's it.
Yeah, this is the instruction when you had a snake bite. This is the first aid or the things that you need to do. Okay?
This is a snake bite.
No, it's a snake bite is like an instruction. If you're bitten by the fangs of the snake,
Two. And then his papa.
it was the puff adder. Okay, cool.
They was tired this.
Puff adder is poisonous. Oh,
And then snake funnel.
yes. No, snake venom is the venom from the snake.
Daddy.
Wow, we're in the lizards na good, finally.
And then maybe and then.
Oh, they're. Oh, hi, friends.
He did what is this stuff with this.
What's the name?
This stuff what is this? Daddy, what is the name? Here's the name.
Tell me the name.
Here's the name. Daddy, what is it?
Leptine spiny-tailed lizard.
And then here it is.
Look,
Oh, I think.
they're digging the ground.
Oh, here it is. Here it comes. Oh, here it goes. Hi, nice to meet you, Onions. Hi, so nice to meet you, Onions. I think I'm shooting for food.
Yeah, they're looking for.
Bye-bye. Mommy, if this person is a scientific name.
Euromastix aegyptia leptiene. Leptini.
And then,
Leptini.
and then what is?
Smith's French toad lizard.
And what is it?
Haha, I don't know.
And then what's the scientific name?
Acanthodactylus smithii.
And then orange squirty down his side.
Ayun!
See, that is movie.
He wants to go out, I think. Hi there, guys. So he wants to go. Oh, he loves you, Lance. Sige.
Hi, I'm Jan. Susunod. And then what's the name? What's the name? What's the name? What's the name? What's this? What's the name? What's the name?
Ornate spiny-tailed
And
lizard.
what's the scientific name?
Oromastix ornata.
And this one, tato.
Dunsan gecko, where is it? Ayun! Behind the tree.
Ayan, I found that one. Tato, he's a big toy.
Yes.
What's the scientific name?
Lance. Stenodactylus doriae.
And then Papai, want the town tato.
Yes.
What is it?
Hajar banded ground gecko. Where is it? Where are you? Cannot see it.
I cannot see it.
Yeah. Maybe it's on a break.
Ay, but then we said, what was scientific name?
Trachydactylus hajarensis. Next.
And after our plants on fish.
Skincus mitranus.
Who is it?
Here. He's hiding his head. See that?
And the sour plants on fish.
Hmm.
And then,
Wonder gecko. You want to say hi?
hi. And then this the one day tato. Ayan. And here's the one day tato.
Ayan.
Okay. And then one day tato is a sweet toy. What's the scientific name?
Teratoscincus kieserlingi.
And then this the one semaphore tato.
Rock semaphore gecko. Where is it? Maybe it's in, within the rocks.
Or maybe it's hidden. Maybe it's hidden in the one.
Yes. Yeah, it's hiding, I think.
It's hiding the one.
Yes.
And what's the scientific name?
Lance?
Scientific-
Rock Pristurus repustris.
Ano? Hati mo na tamasiyot. Tayo this.
Hajar rock agama.
Tayo this.
It's color blue. It's cool.
Wow. Whoa. Oh, it's a sweet toy. It's a sweet toy.
Yes.
Hey.
It's Hajar rock agama.
And then was scientific name. What's the scientific name?
Pseudotrapelus gens vindumi.
And then what is this? What's this? This is that.
Carter semaphore gecko. Pristurus carteri.
What is that?
But it's not here. It's not here.
And what's that? What's scientific name?
Pristurus carteri nga. Arabian toad-headed agama.
What
Ooh.
is it?
I think it's on a break. It's not here, right? Pyronecephalus arabicus. Yes. Let's get your stroller first. Okay, I'll get your stroller first. Okay, let's continue. Okay, first, Arabian toad. Oh, hello there.
Oh, it's coming up the tree. Whoa! Eat it.
Cool.
Oh, what is that? Oh, pinto.
Okay.
What's the pinto? What is that?
Lan, Scelerophis arabica.
The office Arabita. And then,
It's okay, we're gonna name the scientific name when we watch it in their YouTube video, okay? This one, Dofar toad. Where are you? It's not here.
I'm not here. I think it's a scientific name.
Dutafrinus dufarensis.
Nice flat.
Yes. Marsh frog, it's also not here.
And then there was a scientific name.
Pelophylax ridibundus.
And then no, that's Caspian.
Ayun! Finally!
Yeah.
Caspian terrapin, Mauremis caspica.
And then the Sasitawa.
Hasikgara, the small ones?
You have to see it. And the Sasitawa with
Where are you?
Ayan.
Oh, so
And
cute.
there was a scientific name.
Garas marte. Oh, this one is nice.
And the scientific
That is the Azra killifish. That's nice. Small. Azra killifish. Aphanios sirhani. Ah, this is Azra. This is Arabian. Is it? They're swimming together. Aphanius dispar.
There's a male, there's a female.
Oh.
What's this? What's this?
Tawi attire Dara.
What is yours?
Yeah. Nice. He's swimming in circles, Lance. Tawi Aterga.
And now we
Look, he's swimming in circles, oh. That's cool.
And then what's the scientific name?
Gara Donsere.
And then what is this? Toy Tower.
Yeah, Jordanian Gara.
And you adapt.
Now there are so many. Look at them. So cute.
Toy Town.
Is it?
Yes.
Wow. I think they're a family, don't you think? Jordanian Gara. Gara gorensis. That's cool.
What is this? What is this? What is
Oh,
this?
this one. Oh, it's a beetle. It's an Arabian darkling beetle. Here. Ayan. Nice.
Papa, look.